Assalamu alaikum students, I am your math teacher and today we are going to learn our countdown page number 74, 75 and 76. So let's start. Open your page number 74. Write down date and day on the top of your page. Today our topic is subtraction in tens. Student, as you know that in tens we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So students, let's see the solved example. Here we have 5 groups of tens. It means it shows the value of 50. And we have to cut 3 group of tens out of it. Means we have to cut 30 out of it. So we cross 3 group of tens out of it and we have the answer 20 because we have left 2 group of tens. Now we have question in vertical form. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Because we have 5 groups of tens and after cutting 3 group of tens out of it, we have answer 20. So we write question 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. So students, as you can see that they show the same value in abacus. In 0 rod they have nothing, but in tens rod they have 5 beads and they cut 3 beads out of it and the remaining beads are 2, so we have answer 2, and in rod of ones we have nothing, so we write 2 0 here. So 2 in 0 is equal to 20. Now let's move to the question. Question is, now subtract these. Part A, we have 8 groups of tens, means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and we have to cut 5 groups of tens out of it. So we have question 80 minus 50 is equal to 30. How do you know that we have answered 30? Because we have 3 stocks left here. So students, we write our answer 30 in vertically form and we write 30 in horizontal form in the answer box. Part B, we have 9 groups of tens and we cut 4 group of tens out of it. So students, the remaining group of tens are 5. So we have question 90 minus 40 is equal to 50. So students, we write 50 in answer box in horizontal form and in vertical form. Part C, we have 5 group of tens and we cut 5 group of tens. So we don't have left any group of tens here. So we have answer 0 in vertical form and in horizontal form. Part D, we have 7 groups of tens, so it means we have the value 70 and we cut nothing out of it. So it means we minus or subtract 0 out of it. So students, 70 minus 0 is equal to 70 because we didn't cut any group of tens out of it. So we get answer 70 in vertical form and in horizontal form too. Part E, we have 6 group of tens and we cut 3 group of tens out of it. It means we have 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. How we know that we have answer 30? Because we left 3 groups of tens here, so it means it has answer 30. So we write 30 in vertical form and in horizontal form too. Now students, let's move to the page number 75. Our question is, subtract and draw the beads on the abacus. One has been done for you. So students, let's start part A. We have 2 group of tens and 5 ones here. So in question we have 25 value because 2 tens and 5 ones is equal to 25. And we have to subtract 3 ones out of it. So we have the answer 2 on the side of ones and 2 answer on the side of tens. So we get the answer 22. In 22 we have 2 tens and 2 ones. Now student, let's see the same question in abacus. In question we have 25. So students, we have to draw 5 beads in rod of ones and 2 beads in rod of tens. And then we have to cut 3 beads out of side of ones. So we have 2 beads left in rod 1s and 2 beads in rod 10. That shows the same answer which we get here in answer. Let's start our part B. In part B, we have to make a question, so look at very carefully. Here we have 5 group of tens and 7 ones. So we write 57 in our question and we have to cut 2 out of the ones. So we write 2 below the 7 on the side of ones. When we cut or subtract 2 out of 7, so we get the answer 5. So we write 5 on the side of ones. On the side of tens, we write 5 same as it is because we don't cut any number out of it, so 5 will be remain as it is. We get the answer 55, and in 55 we have 5 tens and 5 ones. Let's start this question in abacus. As you know that we have 57 value. In 57 value we have 7 ones, so we have to draw 7 beads in side of ones and 5 beads in side of tens. Then cut 2 beads out of side of ones. Now we have 5 beads on the rod of ones and 5 beads on the rod of tens. It means we get the answer 55 same. Students, our page number 75 done. Let's move to the page number 76. Write down date and day on the top of your page. Our question is subtract and fill in the boxes. Look at the part A. We have 9 group of tens, so we have 90 value in side of tens, and we have 5 ones, and we have to cut or subtract 3 ones out of it. So our question is 95 minus 3. In the side of ones, students, when we cut or subtract 3 out of 5, we get the answer 2. So we write 2 on the side of ones, and we didn't cut any group of tens, so we write 9 same as it is in the answer box. We get the answer 92. 92 we have 9 tens and 2 ones. Look at the part B. We have 5 groups of tens and 9 ones, so we write 59 in the question, and we have to cut 8 ones out of 9, so write 8 below the 9. So we get the answer 1. How do you know that we have the answer 1? Because there is one box left and 5 groups of tens left, so we have the answer 51. So we write 51 here. In 51 we have 5 tens and 1 ones. Let's move to the question 3. Our question is now subtract and complete this. One has been done for you. So our part A is done. So let's start to solve the part B. We have question 24. In 24 we have to solve the side of ones first. So draw 4 lines and cut 3 lines out of it. We get the answer 1. So write 1 in the side of 1. And we have nothing below the 2 on the side of tens, so we write 2 same as it is in the answer box. We get the answer 21. Part C, we have question 68 minus or subtract 7. So we have to solve the side of ones first. Draw 8 lines and cut 7 lines out of it. We get the answer 1. So and we write a 6 same as it is on the value of tens because we have nothing below the 6. Part D, our question is 95 minus 5. So student, we have to solve side of ones first. Draw 5 lines and cut 5 lines out of it. So we get the answer 0. Write the 0 on the side of tens, and the 9 same as it is down on the side of tens because we don't have any number below the 9. Part E, we have question 59 minus 7. So we have to solve side of ones first. Draw 9 lines and cut 7 lines out of it. We get the answer 2. And we write 2 on the side of ones and write 5 on the side of tens because we don't have any number below the 5. So we write 5 same as it is. Part F, we have question 77 minus 4. So we solve side of ones first. Draw 7 lines and cut 4 lines out of it. We get the answer 3. And we write 7 on the side of 10 same as it is because we don't have any number below the 7. So we get the answer 73. Dear students, our page number 76 is done. So you have to write 74, 75 and 76 page number in your home on your countdown book in very neat form. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz and take care.